Imagine waking up every morning feeling confident that you're going to crush your day, no stress, no last-minute junk food choices, no slipping off your healthy eating plan. Instead, you've got a fridge stocked with delicious, nutritious meals ready to fuel your body, energize your workouts, and help you stay on track with your weight loss goals. And the best part? You didn't have to spend hours in the kitchen. Sounds like a dream, right? But here's the truth, it doesn't have to be. In today's video, I'm sharing easy, vegan meal prep ideas that'll make weight loss feel effortless, even when life gets busy. So, if you're tired of scrambling for healthy meals and want to stop feeling guilty about ordering takeout, you're in the right place. Stick around, because what we're about to dive into is going to change the way you think about meal prep forever. Part 1, Why vegan meal prep is a game changer for weight loss. Let's face it, life is busy. We've got jobs, social events, and 100 other things on our plate. Who has time to cook every single day, right? Here's the catch. Meal prep is the secret weapon of anyone who's serious about losing weight, staying healthy, and living a balanced life. When you prep your meals in advance, you avoid the stress of last-minute food decisions. And, more importantly, you get to control what goes into your meals, ensuring they're not only healthy but perfectly aligned with your weight loss goals. But why vegan? Well, plant-based meals are naturally lower in calories but loaded with fiber, which keeps you fuller for longer. Vegan foods are also packed with antioxidants and nutrients, meaning they support everything from digestion to skin health. They're powerful little foods that do a lot of the heavy lifting for you. Part 2, the building blocks of vegan meal prep. So, before we jump into recipes, let's talk about the foundations of a good vegan weight loss meal prep. You can't just throw random ingredients together and expect to hit your goals. You've got to create balanced meals that fuel your body and keep you feeling satisfied. Here are the 4 key components of every vegan meal prep for weight loss. 1. Plant-based protein. Protein helps to build lean muscle and repair tissues, while also keeping you feeling full. 1. Look for foods like chickpeas, lentils, tofu, tempeh, and edamame. 1. These plant proteins are low in fat and high in fiber. 2. Healthy fats. Fat doesn't make you fat, trans fats do. 2. Healthy fats like avocado, nuts, seeds, and olive oil are essential for hormone regulation, energy, and even boosting fat loss. 2. Don't skip these. 3. Complex carbs. Forget the refined, processed carbs. 3. You want the good stuff: sweet potatoes, quinoa, brown rice, and oats. 3. These complex carbs provide sustained energy and fiber, preventing blood sugar spikes and crashes. 4. Veggies. Veggies, they're low calorie, packed with vitamins, and full of fiber. 4. Leafy greens. Broccoli, cauliflower, zucchini, and bell peppers should be the stars of your meals. When you combine these 4 components, protein, healthy fats, complex carbs, and veggies, you create meals that are satisfying, nutrient-dense, and absolutely perfect for weight loss. Part 3, the top 5 vegan meal prep recipes for busy people. Now, let's talk about real meals, delicious, easy, and effective. These vegan meal prep ideas are perfect for busy people who want to lose weight without spending hours in the kitchen. Let's get into it. 1. Chickpea salad with lemon tahini dressing. Simple, fresh, and loaded with flavor. Here's what you need: 1 can of chickpeas, or 1½ cups cooked cherry tomatoes, cucumber, red onion, fresh parsley, spinach, or mixed greens. For the dressing, you'll need 2 tablespoons tahini, 2 tablespoons lemon juice, 1 clove garlic, minced salt and pepper to taste. How to prep: rinse the chickpeas, chop your veggies, and toss everything in a bowl. Whisk up your tahini dressing and drizzle it over the salad. Store it in individual containers, and it'll stay fresh for 3 to 4 days in the fridge. Why it works for weight loss: chickpeas are rich in protein and fiber, making this salad incredibly filling. The tahini dressing adds healthy fats, and the fresh veggies bring in a burst of antioxidants, keeping you full without excess calories. 2. Sweet potato and black bean burrito bowls. This is a hearty, flavorful meal that will keep you full for hours. Here's what you'll need: 2 large sweet potatoes, cubed and roasted, 1 can black beans, drained and rinsed, 1 cup cooked brown rice or quinoa, ½ cup corn kernels, optional fresh cilantro salsa. How to prep: roast the sweet potatoes with a drizzle of olive oil and your favorite spices, like cumin, paprika, and chili powder. Once roasted, layer the rice, black beans, roasted sweet potatoes, corn, and salsa into containers. Top with fresh cilantro just before serving. Why it works for weight loss. Sweet potatoes are rich in vitamins and fiber, while black beans provide a great source of plant-based protein. This meal is filling and satisfies all of your nutrient needs without any added sugar or processed ingredients. 3. Tofu stir-fry with veggies and soy ginger sauce. This stir-fry is quick to make and totally customizable. You'll need 1 block of firm tofu, pressed and cubed, 1 cup mixed vegetables, broccoli, bell peppers, carrots, 2 tablespoons soy sauce or tamari, 1 tablespoon sesame oil, 1 tablespoon ginger, grated 1 tablespoon garlic, minced brown rice or quinoa. How to prep. Sauté the tofu in sesame oil until golden. Add your veggies and stir-fry until tender. Stir in the soy sauce, garlic, and ginger, and toss everything together. Serve over brown rice or quinoa, and you're set. Why it works for weight loss. Tofu is low calorie but packed with protein. Paired with fiber-rich veggies and a flavorful sauce, this meal keeps you energized while helping to shed extra pounds. 4. Vegan Buddha bowls. These bowls are like a little piece of heaven in a dish. Here's what you need. 1 cup quinoa or brown rice, roasted veggies, think sweet potatoes, cauliflower, and Brussels sprouts, roasted chickpeas or tempeh greens, spinach, kale, arugula, tahini or avocado for topping. How to prep. Roast your veggies and chickpeas/tempeh. Cook the quinoa or rice, then assemble everything in bowls. Top with avocado or tahini for extra flavor. This meal can be eaten hot or cold, making it perfect for any time of day. Why it works for weight loss. Buddha bowls are high in fiber and healthy fats, which keep you full and satisfied. Plus, they're easy to mix and match, so you'll never get bored. 5. Lentil and veggie soup. A warm, comforting soup that's easy to make in bulk. You'll need 1 cup dry lentils, 2 carrots, diced 1 onion, diced 3 cloves garlic, minced 1 can, diced tomatoes, 4 cups vegetable broth, spices, cumin, paprika, thyme. How to prep. Sauté the onions, garlic, and carrots until soft. Add the lentils, diced tomatoes, and broth. Bring to a boil, then let it simmer for about 40 minutes or until lentils are tender. This soup is a great make-ahead option. Why it works for weight loss. Lentils are a powerhouse of protein and fiber. This soup is low calorie, filling, and rich in nutrients that will keep your body in fat-burning mode. Part 4. Meal prep tips to maximize your results. Here are some tips to help you get the most out of your vegan meal prep. 1. Cook in bulk. Always double the recipe to make enough for the whole week. 1. The more you make, the less you'll have to cook throughout the week. 2. Use proper containers. Invest in good quality glass containers with lids. 2. They keep your food fresh and are easy to stack in the fridge or freezer. 3. Plan your week. Dedicate 1 day, usually Sunday, to prepping all your meals for the week. 3. It's a small commitment that pays off big. 4. Don't forget snacks. Prep some easy to grab snacks like hummus and veggies, nuts, or protein bars for when hunger strikes between meals. 5. Switch it up. Keep your meals exciting by swapping out veggies, sauces, and proteins every few days to prevent boredom. And that's a wrap on today's vegan weight loss meal prep guide. Meal prepping doesn't have to be overwhelming or time-consuming. With these simple, nutritious recipes and a little planning, you can stay on track with your weight loss goals and feel amazing while doing it. If you found this video helpful, hit that thumbs up button and don't forget to subscribe for more easy, healthy meal prep ideas. Drop a comment below and let me know which recipe you're going to try first. I'd love to hear from you. Keep up the good work, and remember, the more you prep, the easier your healthy lifestyle becomes. Thanks for watching.